Hey guys, give me 1 minute, guys. I need to get up the book.
Oh, sorry about the wetness.
No problem. When you pick up, Bhadrama vachukona.
See, this was really amazing.
The old one. Oh, ingengyo kottirukada kanna pinna.
Yeah, sorry.
Hi guys. Hi Dia, hi Johan, hi Ashwik, hi Sham. How was the homework, guys? Did you have any questions for me?
Yeah, I had a few.
Absolutely, we'll do that first. I'm just searching your class. I'm not able to find. Oh my goodness. A ops algebra. Okay, I've given alchemist topics in 11.1, 11.2. So we did linear programming, but the. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Swarit had a couple of questions on a completely different topic. You have a couple of questions, and I have some questions to understand where we are on transformations and stuff. So let's see all that. I know we are on 11.1, 11.2. Let me take a little bit of time to go over these and then we'll go to that. 11.1, 11.2. Oh, okay, we have not done. Okay, rationalizing denominator, sum and difference of cubes are all there. Okay, let's see. That's fine. Okay, now we'll go one by one. Which one am I? What should I open? Tell me. Ashwik, you can tell first.
11.2.5.
11.2.5. Square of side. Okay, let's try. Okay. I don't have the solution book here. Doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's see what we can't do and what we can do. Others, did you have any questions on the homework? No. That means you didn't do or you did try or what was that?
I had a question.
I had a question on 11.2.5.
11 point?
2.5.
Yeah,
2.5? Oh, same. That's what he's also asking. Let's see what is given there. In the diagram, Johan, I'll come to you, Johan. The diagram, a square of side length B is cut out of the corner of the square of length side A. Let me please draw this. This is A. Does that make sense? Now I'm going to cut B. That's what is given, right? Show that. A square. Oh, I see. Minus B square. I see. Let's try to do that. This is interesting. Will be equal to A minus B times A plus B. Let's see. I'll do that, guys. Okay. So now how about this? Okay, let's try to do that. Okay, that is given. Whatever is in red is given, right? So let me try. I don't know how to do, so we will try together. Okay, if this is A, what is this? Can I say this is A minus B? All of you with me? I'm just trying. I'm also thinking out loud with you. You can let me know as well. If this is A and if this is B, can I call this as A minus B? Am I making sense, guys?
Yeah, you can say that.
Yeah.
So A square minus B square is what we want to find out, right? Because I'm going to cut the square of the bigger square. Now, okay, so this is A minus B. This is as well A minus B when you think about it, right? right? This is A, this is B means this is A minus B. Am I with you all?
Mm.
Am I with you all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So, the remaining part, right? The remaining part of the bigger square after this square is cut off is A square minus B square. You all agree with me?
Yeah.
Now I have to calculate it from the figure. How to calculate it? The remaining figure after that square B sided square is cut off is the green part, correct? The green part can be written as, let me first consider this rectangle. I think it will work. Let's see. Let me first consider this rectangle. What is the area of that rectangle? Can I call that as, one second guys, this one is not A minus B, this is A minus B. This is A minus B, right? Because the entire thing is A. Let me correct it and write it. This is B, so this is A minus B, correct? This side I have written it correctly. This is B, okay. So the blue rectangle is what? So the remaining piece, remaining leftover, I can write it out as blue rectangle, right? And then I can write it out as yellow rectangle, right? And then finally I can write it out as, I think this will work guys, purple rectangle. Any questions on that? Okay, now I'm going to put everything together. Blue rectangle, what is the area? Can I call it as B times A minus B? Yellow rectangle, how can I write it? Can I write it out as A minus B times A minus B? Guys, are you all with me? You can find out my mistake and tell me. And then the purple rectangle is A minus B times B, correct? Right? A minus B times B. Now I'm going to add everything. I'm going to multiply and add everything together. BA minus B square plus A square minus BA, and then minus BA plus B square, and then you have AB minus B square. Can I combine them? Yeah, minus B square, this gets cut off, plus BA minus BA get cut off, and then minus BA plus BA cut off. See, what is remaining is,
Oh, Miss Priya, it's negative 2b squared. That's right.
which one ma?
And you canceled out negative b squared and negative b squared. You should have canceled out negative b
Plus
squared
B
and the
square.
positive.
Sorry. Correct. Thank you. So now the leftover is A square minus B square. This is what you have to geometrically prove. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, 11.2.5 is done. What else you want?
I had a question on 11.1.5. I think.
11.1.5. I'll go there, please.
Yeah, it was 11.1.5.
Can I erase this off? Can I erase this off? Yes, no? Please talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For some reason, you are all not seeing what I am seeing. For sure, I know that. So, I'm going to share my video. Yeah, now you're all seeing what I'm seeing. Good. Okay. I don't know what happens to Zoom. Sometimes it makes a mess. Okay, now it's good. Dia, what are you doing in school, ma?
We're doing like multiplying exponents and like multiplying square roots,
Multiplying.
but we haven't
Yes,
actually
yes.
like
I
learned.
know. That is our next topic. We'll do that. See, that is school-based algebra they are going. I agree. Okay, in my school-based algebra class, that's the next topic. We'll see when to do. But is it easy?
It's easy. It's just that our school hasn't really like taught it to us because like our teacher hasn't been here for a while.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So like they gave us like this booklet thing,
And you have
and
to study by
it has
yourself.
like the rules, and we had to do problems in there.
Okay. Okay, we'll talk about it at the end of the class. Sorry, Johan. 11 point? 1 point?
1.5. It was part B.
Okay. Let's see. We can square a number ending with 5 with the following step. Erase the 5 at the end of the number to obtain a number k. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. You know what they're saying? How do you do 25 square? It's a easy trick. I think I might have discussed this I usually discuss this in every class. I don't know whether I've discussed it here. Any number ending with 5 can be squared like this, right? I can put a 25. Forget the 5. Go to the 3. What is the next number to the 2? 3. Then you multiply these two, write it down. So that is the square of 25. Have I discussed this with you or not? No? Okay, 35 square. How to do? Any number ending with 5 will work. This is a 25. And then I have the number 3. Go to the next number. What is the next number for 3? 4.
4.
Multiply those two. 1, 2, 2, 5. You got it?
Yeah.
I didn't tell it in this class. It's surprising to me. Okay. What is 55 square? I tell it in every class. I don't know how I didn't say here. What is 55 square?
3025.
Yup, that's right. 3025. How easy to see? Similarly, what is 105 square?
11025.
Yep. I want somebody else to say now. 85 square? Just to make sure everybody's getting it.
7225.
72.
Yep. 7225. Got it? 65 square? Somebody else now. Not Johan.
4225.
422. Nice, Shyam. How about 55 square? Oh, we did it. Okay, sorry. 35 square? Somebody else, please. Just try and make sure you get it. If you didn't get it, it's also, if you shout it out, we'll know that you didn't get it. We'll be able to get it.
1225.
Yep. Fourth is correct, right? So you all got it? Ashwik, are you there, Ashwik? Anish,
Yeah.
did you get it?
Yeah, I said that.
Oh, you said that. Okay.
Hmm.
So that is the trick. But what are they asking? Use the expansion to explain why this trick works. Ah, okay. Let's see this one. Okay, so basically whether it is a 25 or see, this I have not explained to any class. This is a good one for me to explain hereafter. Okay, this is a good one to go over as well. Now, all these, when you think about these base numbers, right, can they be expressed as 10 times some number plus 5? Can I express it like that? When you think about it, this is 20 plus 5. This is 30 plus 5. This is 40 plus 5. So when you think about it, this is always 10 times a digit. Digit means it can be only between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sense? Or even if you go for upper digits, I mean, even if you go for, let's say, 115 square, even here, when you think about it, this can be expressed as 110. When you think about it, it is a multiple of 10. That's what it means. 10n means it's a multiple of 10. Am I making it clear? Okay. Now they're asking, hey, this seems like a magic. Okay, but why would it work, they're asking. So let's see. I have not done this personally at all, but definitely as soon as I saw this, I understood, oh my god, this I should have explained why it is working in the other classes as well. Okay, let's see. It's a good one. Now, do you know the formula for this? How to expand this? How to expand this? What is the expansion of that? A plus b the whole square.
It would be 100 n square
Plus
plus 100 n.
100, yeah. Plus 25. Mm,
Okay. Let's see. I have not personally done this, as I said, but I'll see. Okay, so we did 25, 3 2s are 6, 625. Okay, when I think about it, so this is 400 plus 2ab, right? 2ab means 10, 200 plus 25. So this 25 is this part. Okay, so if I, you see, okay. Okay, so this one is, can I do it like this, n times 100, and if I take it as common, this will become n plus 1 plus 25. Guys, did you get it? Okay, did you get it? Okay, I'll tell you how. See here, till this you all got it, right? Okay, now in this, what can I take as common? What can I take as common?
100
100
and
n. When I take it out as common, what will come in the bracket?
n plus 1.
N plus 1. So when you think about this, see what you're doing. You are just doing n times n plus 1. That is your 100th digit, meaning the 100, the digit that goes in, that goes towards your left is n times n plus 1 you do, meaning 25 square. Remember this 25 I said, right? You can blindly put this 25. That is this 25. However, you have to take this as n. I said you consider the next digit. Remember, if this is 2, this is 3. You multiply that and write it in your leftmost. You see what I mean? That's why it's working. Let's see. I don't know how many of you understood this. So let's see one more time. I don't want to erase this though. Let's see. How about 35 square? When you think about it, see the special 25 you are just like that putting. However, you take n is equal to 3 here. 3 times 4 you're doing 12. But the hundreds place, you're replacing it with that 1200. Am I making sense? Similarly, let's put 205 square. Okay, 25. Basically, you're replacing it with 25 on the rightmost, because that 25 is your 25 ones are getting added. But considering n is equal to 20, you're doing n times n plus 1, that many hundreds you're placing it here. Here 20 times 21, that is how many hundreds? How many hundreds are you placing? 420 hundreds you're going to place, right? So you're going to put 420 here. Makes sense? The hundreds place is being occupied by 420 hundreds. Am I making sense? So when you expand this, you get the same thing. N into n plus 1 times 100 plus 25. Does it make sense, guys? Whatever I'm saying? This is why that trick is working. Okay, I've never explained this trick to anybody in class. Nice to know this so that I can put it out to the others as well. Any questions? No? Okay, what other questions you have? What other questions you have, guys? What other questions you have? What is the answer for this one? Who can answer this quick? Answer it quickly, guys. You can just see this and answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? Thoughts? What are your thoughts?
Is it 4,203?
Yeah. How did you do that? 4,000?
200.
Why 2?
No, 4,023.
Why?
Because it would be 2012 minus 2011 multiplied by 2012 plus
Good job, Shyam.
2000.
So basically, what did you consider this as? What is this? A square
Yeah, a squared
minus b square. What is the formula for this? A plus b times a minus b. So a is this, b is this. When you subtract both, it's just a 1. When you add both, it's 4023 times 1 is 4023. Make sense, guys? Easy? Sometimes when you're asked, hey, 104 squared, kids will find it very hard. But when you think about this, right, don't think as 104 times 104, do it like this algorithm, don't do it. But you guys know a plus b the whole square, right? Doing it that way is so easy, I tell you. Because this is, you're going to add two more zeros. So 10,000 plus 800, 10,800 plus 16. So 10,816 is your answer. You don't need to sit and evaluate. It's a plus b the whole square. So a square 10,000. Then 16 you're going to add. Remember that. Okay. And then 2ab is what? 8 times 100. 800 you're going to add. See? Easy? Are you getting it, guys? What is 99 square? It's very easy. Put it as 100 minus 1 the whole square. So what you're going to do here? Again, you're going to have this 10,000. But this time, you're going to add the 1 for sure. Don't worry about it. We have to add the 1. But here you're going to subtract 2ab. When you want to subtract 2ab, you have to subtract 200 first. When you want to subtract 200, it becomes 9,800. But then you have to add the 1, 9,801. Make sense? This formula, these three formulas are treasures. You can apply them like anything and do magic. A plus b. I know that you will be able to derive this when you sit and multiply this by C, a times a times b, b times a, b times b. That you can do, but that's going to take hours. The test will be done by that time. That's why you are required to minus 2ab plus b square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Are all of you with me or not on this? Anytime you're asked, you should be able to apply this and play with numbers. Can I move on? Now, Swarit, can you bring up your questions or should I bring up your questions quick? I can bring up your questions. Can I? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll be quicker.
I was confused because it had a
Absolutely no, don't worry about it at all. Meaning, I just want to bring it to the class and understand everybody got it or not. That's all. That's the intent.
Okay.
It's good. I don't know. I'm not able to bring it. Why? Oh yeah, I got it. Okay. How about this? I really want you guys to do. Come on, the value of the expression. See, if you guys have problems in Alchemist like this, screenshot and send it. We can discuss in class. How do you do this? Thoughts, guys. There are some people who didn't get right. So what is the
I didn't know if this was correct, but I was like, since it was a plus b squared, like the first one,
A
the
plus
first term,
correct.
the first term was a plus b squared, and then the second one was a minus b squared. I thought we do a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and or minus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
So what happens here? The minus travels everywhere, right? So everything inside the bracket gets negated.
Yeah.
Right?
2ab minus b squared.
So what happens here? Maths is so easy.
A squared and a squared gets cancelled and b squared gets cancelled.
So what is the answer here? 4 times, what is a and b?
3
power of 1001 and 4 times 1002. So what happens here?
I didn't know how to.
4 to the power of 1003.
Wait, Vidyut, okay, you're going the other way. Wait, Vidyut, why did you do that? Because you go up, please.
Oh, yeah.
Vidyut, did you see that? So what you need to do?
Oh yeah, you just need a like 12. Wait.
What can you do? Only see, I can come to the power of 1001 only if both the powers are the same. So how to make both the powers like that? Can I write it like this?
Oh yeah.
Can I write it like that?
Yeah.
Are you all with me? Now I can combine this.
That becomes 12.
16 times
So-
12 power of 1001. Am I making sense?
Oh, and then K would
Yeah.
be 16.
16. Good job.
Okay.
You all got it?
Oh, yeah.
Amma, please try more and more problems. Your brain grows nicely. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, there's one more problem. I know this is going to take time today, but it's okay. At the end of it, I want you to understand all of these tricks as well. How about this? This is the last problem that I have, at least that I know of. I can give you problems if you want to. Go ahead with this. I don't know. Answer, I don't know. I have not tried as well. He just sent it to me. I thought of discussing in class. I put it out. So let's see. I can as well do it with you. Anish, are you getting the answers?
Yeah.
Okay. A plus B minus A minus B, then A minus B, and then B minus A, I think. Correct. Oh my goodness, what is this?
I think we can just do one at a time.
Huh?
Maybe we can just do like first the. Oh, wait. No.
Oh, I know, guys. You want to try it? I'll wait. I'll wait, but this is the first step. This is right. This will get you the answer very quickly. You have to play around with these. What can you do? What can you do? What is this? Minus and a minus. Distributive property is very powerful in mathematics. Can I help you with one more step? Take out the minus. Let me take out the minus. Okay,
I did. Like, I just took out the minus, so it's.
So
A
what happened? Can I move this minus one outside like this? And then what?
Hmm.
I still have this, you see. Anish, you're logging in from two machines? Anish? Hey guys, wait, I have had problems in the other class with the same person logging in as two machines. It will be his friend from his class. I don't want that to happen here. Anish? Anish, if you are not on the video, I'm going to get you to the waiting room. Both your logins. You have logged from another machine? Anish, who is on the other machine?
Sorry.
No. There are two logins. I don't want. Both of it should be on the video then.
I don't know. I accidentally X'd out of the tab, so I went back.
Then I'm going to kick the other login.
Okay.
Because it's seriously becoming an issue. You know, in one of the classes, another kid just joined like this. I thought it's our own kid and let them in. They started sharing YouTube videos. I don't want all that to happen.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just very, what to say, I'm just very uncomfortable seeing two logins now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's why I kicked the other login out.
Okay.
So minus 1. So when I take this minus, I can take it out. It becomes a plus b like this. At minus 1, I'm writing it here. It's just multiplication, right? Similarly, I'm able to see that I can do this here too. A minus b, I copied it in here. Here, if I take that minus out, there'll be another minus 1 that comes out. And this will become what? A minus b. Now, see, minus 1 times minus 1 is a plus 1. This I can write it out as a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Now all of it is in roots, right? So it's very easy for me. Let's see. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Then if you think about it, a square is 3755.
Yeah.
Right?
And then B squared would be
2ab 3755, 3752.
Right.
Right? Plus b square is
3752.
3752. However, this when I multiply with a minus b the whole square, right?
A squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
Yeah, but that's becoming tricky, right? I don't know. Let's
So
a minus b the whole square means
wait, would wouldn't the two ABs get canceled though?
they no, right? It's not.
Because it's a minus b squared, so it would be a squared minus
Okay, you
2ab.
want to experiment that? Let's see. A square plus
I
2ab
don't
plus b. We'll see.
Like,
No
well, I
problem
didn't.
if you make a mistake, right? A
because
square
I
minus
don't know like
it's multiplication, right, Amma?
oh yeah, it's multiplication.
I didn't really do it like that.
Huh?
I didn't do it like that because like what I did is I did a equals the square root of 3755 and then b is square root of 3752 and then so I substituted the a and b values and then I got negative whole squared a plus b squared times the negative a minus b whole squared to the power of 2, which is a plus b whole squared to the power of 2 and a plus b a minus b whole squared.
Correct. We got this. After that?
Yeah, and then I did I used the a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared.
Ah, good one. Nice, Ashvik. From
And then
here, yeah.
yeah,
1 minute. Let me write that down. A plus b the whole square, and then a minus b the whole square. He rewrote it as a plus b, then a minus b, like this, right?
yeah,
Great. And then he combined this. So the first one is a square minus b square. The second one is as well a square minus b square, right?
yeah.
Lovely. And then
And so then I got a plus b whole squared and a minus b whole squared equals
3755 minus
uh
3752.
2.
3755 minus very clever. This is the way to do. 55 minus 3752. This is 3 times 3 is a 9. Very nice. Easy. So it's just playing with the same thing that we know, but think in different ways. Okay, but the three formulas are very powerful, guys, to an extent what we cannot think. Okay, can I move on? Sorry, did I clarify these?
Yeah.
Okay, now 11.1, 11.2, sum and difference of cubes I wanted today. See, the book goes a lot in depth. How about this? Do you know how to factor this? 1 to 1 a square b power of 4 minus c square. Do you know how to factorize this?
Yeah.
And I want to do rationalizing denominators and complex numbers. I'm going to leave Simon's favorite factoring trick
Wait,
for
Priyanti, we did rationalizing denominators at school.
You did? Okay, then that's going to be helpful now.
Isn't it like with the conjugates and all that?
Yes. Write in factored form. Can you write this in factored form? Is it? Photo? Hey guys, I have a question. When you find out tough math problems, how do you do? What do you do?
Normally I try like using a formula, but if that doesn't work, I'll try to like just use some other like not really a formula, but I'll try some other way.
Okay. Others?
I would just do it based on what I already know. So, like,
I just sometimes I see what I already know and then I just search up the problem and then I figure out if what to do.
Okay. See, one thing is with the coming of too many tools, right? Particularly ChatGPT, Gemini, all this stuff, right? the tendency is always to put it in and check. Yes, it will give out answers. There are answers that are coming incorrectly too. Many a time answer comes in incorrectly too. Okay, with all this said and done, right? You please, for your school work and all, don't refer to ChatGPT. It is going to dump your brain completely. Everybody is afraid. So please don't use ChatGPT the moment you. I'm not saying don't refer completely, but the thing is, make sure you don't refer ChatGPT to for your school related problems. School related problems are so easy. Ask a friend, right? Ask a friend or ask your mom, ask your dad. Then if nobody knows, all of you sit and search. How about that? Does that sound like a plan?
I asked a person.
Person is better. Okay, person is better. Okay, I understand. Okay, things like this. Now Ashvik said some problem, right? See, that problem is really hard. Swarit brought out that problem, right? That problem is really hard. It's hard to think, but spend at least half an hour, and then if you don't get, you put it in ChatGPT. I don't mind. Get the answer, but make sure, if you, meaning it's your, it should be your rule. If you put it in ChatGPT, get another 5 problems of that. Are you able to do it by yourself? Check, and then you can go if you're able to do. You see what I mean? It will dump your brain. Otherwise, you're just going to see the answer, write it down, and go. What is that you're getting right at the end? Okay, you have to be people who create the ChatGPT, or who take, meaning who administers people who takes does the ChatGPT job, right? So if that is the case, then for you to become one, you cannot be using it for your help. If you start using like that, if we start abusing, it's going to kill us. Okay, this is something I'm observing across several of the kids. I don't know, but in general I'm saying. Make sense? Please don't use ChatGPT for all this or whatever. Okay, we will become dumb. Or go ask your parent, go ask your friends. If nobody knows, go to ChatGPT, check. 11. Yep. But write in factored form means, is this the factored form? Wow.
This factored form.
Vishnuram, write this in factored form means, I don't think this is the factored form, right?
Wait, how is it not the factored form?
Oh yeah, that is the factored form. Sorry.
Wait, Priyanti,
Sorry. Yes.
is my answer correct?
I'm checking one by one. Yes. All of you got. Correct. Yes, ma. Ritisha, correct. Okay. That's my humble request. But anytime, whenever you use these tools, right, you remember, okay, at least the discussion that we have had. Don't use. It's going to dump us all. Okay, but use it effectively. Meaning, there are so many other ways where you can use it effectively to become better.
Wait, what is the
Yes.
factored form again? Is it
Fact, okay, you
y?
don't know. Okay, no problem. I'll do it on the board. This is, take it as a square, big A square. That what is a? This is a square minus b square format. Do you see? This is square term, square term. So what is the square root of this? 11ab. That is a. B is c. Right? So you write it in the format a plus b, a minus b. That's all.
Oh.
You got it? So 11ab square plus c, 11ab square minus c. Make sense? For that matter, right, you have the solutions book for this book that we are doing, right? Yes, whatever questions you're asking sometimes is from that the set where you have the solutions in the solution book, right? Solutions book can as well provide help, but at the same time, it's nice to come and discuss in class as well, even if you know. Okay, but don't directly go see the answer, solutions, and then, I know. No, you will not know. You cannot reproduce it just by seeing the solutions. Did you work out another 5 set of similar problems where you refer to the solution by yourself? Then you're good. If you don't do that exercise, please don't go to the tools and please don't go refer to the solutions. It's no use. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? Okay. Do you be able to expand this? about this? X minus 1, x square plus x plus 1. Can you expand this? All of you, please expand. Expand that. I just want you to understand something from this one. Expand that. We are deriving formulas. Deriving formulas means from your answer we are going to derive a formula. Hey, this is the formula.
I sent my answer.
Me too.
I'll check right away. Yeah. What 9? Anish correct. Johan correct. Vidyut correct. Okay. Others, did you get it or shall I do it on the board? Just multiply. Multiply. Just multiplying this, multiplying this, multiplying this, then multiplying this, multiplying this, multiplying this. The
Yeah.
long way. Yeah.
I had a question. It was like about a competition that we did, but there was a question
You want
that
to bring it?
it was I didn't check the answers for it yet, but there was a question and it was like f of x is equal to this function, g of x is equal to this function, and then h of x was this function. And then it was like find the f of the g of the x.
That will come. You okay? So you want to do that? Okay, let's see. Let's see what we have time for.
I know, but so do you just first insert one function into like first?
Yes, put one function as the input of the other function.
Oh,
You
okay.
keep on doing it till you arrive at the end.
Okay, then I think I did it right.
Okay, so, okay, nice. See, that's something that's coming up next. Sorry, that's correct. Your answer is correct. But Vishnu Ram, you got it right as well. Sham, I didn't see your answer, Sham. Okay.
That sounds like recursive functions.
What?
That sounds like recursive functions.
That sounds like recursive functions. Correct. Are you working on that ACSL, Anish?
Yeah.
Lovely. Good to know.
Thank you.
Yes. The recursive function, what I observed was you should see how they solved in the solutions. Try that works better rather than recursively solving that as well. Okay, now let's go here. Let's go into this. So this formula is x cube minus 1. So what is the formula we are arriving at here? I'm going to tell out the formulas. I'm not going to derive every formula. Okay. What is this? A cube minus b cube you got. Right? So what is that? Will be equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. You are going to memorize this. A cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. You are going to memorize this. I am not going to ask you to derive again. You can derive again. Oh, x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. When you multiply this, you get a cube plus b cube and that will become one another formula. We don't have time. Okay, you know how to FOIL this. Right? So, instead of asking you to do this and tell me what you got, instead of that I gave you the formula directly. So, you are going to memorize certain things as well. Usually what I do, sum of squares, difference of squares, and these three formulas I ask Algebra 1 kids to memorize. Okay, sum of difference of cube, sum of cube, and the cube formula. These four formulas I ask Algebra 2 kids to memorize. But we are doing this book, AOP's book of algebra. So it is important that you memorize all these four formulas as well before we complete this book. So this would be, I'm going to give you this. You know how to derive this formula. A plus b the whole cube means you will multiply. Sit and multiply. Figure out. That's the best way. You multiply these three by FOIL method. And then you get the formula. But I'll give it to you directly. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. A minus b the whole cube is everything the same. But alternatively it will carry a negative sign. Make sense?
Didn't you say this in the last class where like you could keep going?
You can keep
Right.
going, yes, but I'm
Like
not going to
like
go to.
no
Uh-huh.
like but like there's an easier way to like do it or
Oh,
something.
oh, the
Like
Pascal
there,
triangle, you mean?
yeah, Pascal's triangle.
Pascal triangle works only for
That.
yeah, 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 yeah. You're right. Pascal triangle does work for all of these. Yes.
Okay.
Priyanti,
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
this question might be a little unrelated. There's like a there was a problem and it was like x to the power of x is equal to 25. I had no idea how to solve it.
X to the power of x is 25. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they told us to find x.
Okay, we'll do that at the end. Is that okay?
Okay.
I'll do this at the end, but I want to come to, if possible, I want to touch that composition and inverse functions. Let's see what we do. Okay, now how about this? Okay, okay. Having said this, I don't want to erase these. Will you be able to do this? 32t cube minus 108. Would you be able to do this problem? I didn't want to erase this. There was a reason for me not to erase. Would you be able to do the problem on the black with the black color ink? That's the problem given. What is that problem? You see the t cube, it's a cube, but 32 is not a cube. So what you can do? How do you interpret this? How to solve this? 108 is not a cube. So what do we
You
do?
can what's it called? Divide the whole thing by 4.
Take 4 common. Distributive property is very powerful. Mm-hmm.
27.
Yeah, see, this is a cube, this is a cube. Which formula applies here? This one
Or the
applies,
first
right?
one. Yeah.
Yep. Yep, you can factorize it. Factorizing is what you need to do. Factorize means what you'll do. This is the factored form. So what is A here? 2t, B here 3. So 2t plus 3 times 4t square.
Wait, isn't it minus 3? Because
Oh yama, sorry. And then plus plus, all are plus, but then here it is AB 60. Make sense? This is the factored form. Make sense?
yeah.
Factored form means you are writing it as the product of linear or quadratic factors. But whatever you were given was a big polynomial expression. Okay, shall we go ahead? I want to do one more problem. Let's see this one. Okay, this is a good one. Let's see this one. How about this? Okay, this one is a harder one, but let's see. X plus y by 1 plus z will be equal to 1 minus z plus z squared divided by x square minus xy plus y squared. The other one, x minus y by 3 minus z will be equal to 9 plus 3z plus z square divided by x square plus xy plus y square. Would we be able to do this? Please don't use AI tools for math or whatever subject it is. First find out whether you're able to do. Ask a friend, ask your parent. Nothing works. Sit together, all of you go to ChatGPT if you want to. And you make sure you at least do minimum of 2 similar problems without ChatGPT's help. If that is the case, then you are allowed to do that. If you don't have the time to do that extra 2 problems, don't even go to the tool. You don't have to know the solution at all. There's no point in knowing the solution, right? Because you are never going to reproduce the solution. Okay, go ahead with this.
Problem, do you have to cross multiply?
Nice. So they are ratios, right? Cross multiply and see. Yes. Cross multiplication literally works. Shall we try? It's a pain. You'll have to sit and cross multiply, but the answers are very easy. Once you cross multiply, it becomes very easy.
Priyanti,
Uh-huh.
my math teacher said we shouldn't cross multiply.
So does
Really? So
mine.
what did you do? So,
I just still cross multiply for all the because it's just quicker.
but what is her theory?
It's-
Is she asking you to multiply by 1 plus z on both sides?
Yeah, by the least common multiple on both sides.
By the least, yeah. See, okay, both are one and the same. It's okay. Really
My,
okay.
my teacher just uses a proportional graph.
Or just use a proportional graph. That is also nice. Yes. But in this case, you cannot use a proportional graph, right, Ashwik?
Yeah.
Here, okay. Here, the only way is to, as he says, LCM multiply. But that's the same as cross multiplying, right, Vidyut?
Yeah, basically.
Multiplying both sides by these two is the same as cross multiplying, right?
Yeah, that's what I told my teacher,
What
but
did
like
he say?
he said just do this. Like just don't use cross multiplying. I still use it.
Okay, we'll go with that.
I don't know. I it's okay. I like cross multiplying better. I use
Me
it.
too. Honestly, me too. Uh, I don't have a solution here. See, Vidyut, what I've seen is in India we do this quickly. Okay, here nobody agrees to this. 6th grade, if you go ahead and cross multiply, they will not give you points. They will ask you to multiply by the LCM. Because I think they are more into you have to understand what you're doing. That's why they do that.
Yeah.
But you already understood, right? So we can go ahead.
My teacher lets me cross multiply.
That's nice.
Yeah.
But only in 7th grade, right, Anish?
Yeah.
6th they push back.
No, they taught it in like the middle year of 6th grade, like in December.
Oh, I see. Many teachers push back in 6th. Okay. Go ahead, cross multiply and tell me the answers. You will get two equations. Then we'll go to rationalizing denominators as well. Point two one is hard. Yeah, let's see how far we can go. Okay, and sooner or later I want to know how many of you want to do AOPS geometry, how many of you don't want to do AOPS geometry. Based on that, I'll plan the class for the next session. Will you tell me next week? We won't go through the entirety of next full term. I feel we can finish, and if you want we can do it in parallel to why keep on going. See, this gets into algebra 2 anyway. We have done functions. Okay, I need to do inverse, I need to do a little more transformations, I need to do inverse, and then what? Inverse, composition, some more transformations. I would like to go in depth with you guys. Money, arithmetic geometric sequences I want to cover. So those are the only topics that are remaining. Money, simple interest, compound interest, I can go over if you want to. But other than that, we can keep moving to geometry. Maybe another 6 weeks or 7 weeks. So end of next term, I would go ahead with geometry. So please discuss with your parents and let me know what you guys want to do, if you want to go ahead with AOPS geometry book or not. I really need an answer. So what did you guys get? Okay, you want me to do?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. I just have to do the second one.
Okay. Just cross multiply. It's a pain, but multiply, then only you'll also get used to, right? I'm also going to do it on the board.
I cross multiplied for the first equation, but I got x cubed plus y cubed equals to 1 plus c cubed. I don't know how to solve that.
Don't worry about it. Solve the second one as well.
Okay.
Both, see, we are going to find out xyz that satisfies both the equations.
Okay.
So this is going to be 1 minus z plus z square plus z minus z square plus z cube. Okay. X square y plus and minus is there, plus and minus is there. So I'm getting x cube minus y cube will be equal to 1 plus z cube I'm getting from here. I don't know, let's see. X cube plus x square by, please do it guys, then only polynomial multiplication will come quickly. Oh, this is minus yx square minus y square x minus y cube will be equal to 9 3s are 27 minus 9z minus no minus what I'm doing, 27 plus 9z plus 3z square minus 9z minus 3z square minus z cube xy square.
Miss Priya, my
Yep, I'm getting this x cube minus y cube equal to 27 minus z cube. So this is one I got, this is one. I don't know. You got the answer, ma? So the question, what was the question? Okay, we have to solve xyz real numbers that satisfy this equation. That was the question.
Oh, I gave the equations. I didn't solve that.
One plus z cube. Okay, so I solve which equation? Oh my god, x cube plus y cube. See, this one is a plus, right? Y plus both are plus. Yup. Now what do? One thing is I have to use both, so add both the equations. I'll get 2x cube will be equal to 28. That's it.
Yeah.
So x cube will be equal to 14 now.
Yeah, that's what I got.
That's what you got. Yeah, that's right. X will be equal to cube root of 14, correct? Does that make sense? Yep. And sometimes I'll go ahead now. Sometimes, can I go ahead, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes they are. Oh no, okay. Who has what doubts? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Then can I erase?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, we only find x.
Yeah, see, once you find out x, everything is easy, right? Okay, let's find out. You want to find out y and z, yeah?
Because I thought we had to find all three.
Wait, that's what I also thought. The question asked for, I don't know what the question. Unknown. Find x, ma.
Okay.
X, y, z are three real numbers. Find x.
Okay.
I don't think you can find y and z in this.
Yeah.
Because yeah, you'll have more unknowns and less equations. Okay, sometimes they give you this. How do you evaluate this? How do you do this? How do you do this? Quicker. This is a square term, this is a square term. What do you do?
Would you like turn it into squares?
Well, would it be x squared plus y squared
Take
times
it as
x
x square will be
squared
equal
minus
to
y
a,
squared?
y square will be equal to b. I can write this out as a square minus b square. You see?
Yeah.
Then it will be a plus b, a minus b is the answer. But then what is a and b? X
X
square
squared.
plus y square. Yep, x square minus y square. Again, this is not simplified. This is not factorized. This one you cannot factorize further, a square plus b. But this one, you can factorize it as x plus y, x minus y. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, in mathematics, you cannot have irrational denominators. If you have irrational denominators, then no, that is not accepted. Okay. How to make it rational? Multiply by the same denominator. It becomes root 2 by 2. This is accepted. This is not accepted as an answer. But you can multiply root 2, then they will accept. That becomes root 2 by 2. Root 2 times root 2 is what? Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Does that make sense? But this property is so important. See, how do you rationalize this?
You multiply by the conjugate.
Yeah, what is the conjugate? See, here,
It's
take
root
it as a
7
minus
plus root 6.
Take this as a minus b. A plus b you can add. For these, you can do a plus b. So, here as well, 7 plus root 6.
Auntie,
Yeah?
I just remember it as switching the middle sign.
Switch, yeah. So, this and this are called conjugates. Does that make sense? These two are called conjugates. Why? Because they're only the sign changes. Do you see? When you multiply by conjugates, the advantage is you have your formula, right? A minus b times a plus b. A square minus b square. Because it is in square root, squaring is easy. 7 minus 6. Top will be root 7 plus root 6. So the answer is itself root 7 plus root 6 rationalized. You got it? So whenever you have irrational denominators, right? This is irrational. Okay. Turning it into an acceptable answer, what do? You multiply by root 6, so you say the answer as root 6 by 6. So here you have rationalized the denominator. Any questions? Any questions on this? Suppose it's a binomial expression like this in the denominator, what do? How do you rationalize it? You multiply it by the conjugate. Now, suppose if I have last two problems, guys. What do we do to rationalize this? You tell me now.
You multiply by
Yep.
2 plus
plus
root,
3.
square root of 3. And
So this will be 2 plus cube root of 2. So what happens here? Again 2 plus cube root of 2. When you do that, your numerator becomes 2 plus cube root of 2. I have written incorrectly. Okay, divided by a square minus b square. Do you see it, guys? But that's not rationalized, right?
wait, can you simplify the cube root of 2 to the power of 2 to cube root of 4?
Cube
Because
root
like
of
what,
2.
like can you make the square root of 2 and the square root and the square like cancel out each other, so then it'd be
How
2 the power of 3.
It's a cube root.
The cube root means should we do squaring, meaning should we do multiply by the conjugate?
Auntie,
What?
I was thinking like if it's just cube root of 2 to the power of 2 is going to be cube root of 4.
That's true. Here,
But then you can do it again. But you have to do it again then.
agree. See, because
Because like
yeah.
you could get cube root of a.
Correct.
Or not
Correct, sir.
cube root.
We're not even, meaning you,
Not that.
the whole thing is incorrect, right? Multiplying by its conjugate. For a cube root, multiplying with the conjugate, as you say, Swarit, is incorrect. And Vidyut, you have been wanting to put this as what? You tell me. He's telling
Cube
something
root of 4.
See, here the radical, right? This means it's 2 power of 1 by 3. This radical, whatever the cube root, square root, all become fractional exponents. Power 1 by 3. Whole power 2 means what?
2 by 3.
2 square is cube rooted. 2 square is cube rooted. This can
Yeah,
also be
that's
written like this. Yes.
yeah, which is because
Oh,
my teacher taught me that too because like there's some questions on that.
Okay. One thing is, this book covers a little bit of exponents, but your school-based algebra covers a lot of this. I would like to cover that in this class. If see, that's where I want your consensus. If we do that, we are going to extend the time a little bit. Meaning radicals and rational exponents is a topic that's not in detail in this book. Radicals and rational exponents, but that comes in your algebra 1 class in school. We can do this. It's not a hard one, but these are important for you. So let me see whether I can add it in one of the classes. Now coming back to our problem, please let's solve this and go. Let me write out the problem. The problem was 1 by 2 minus cube root of 2. What to do? When you see cube root, what is that you can do? Let's try it out, okay?
wait, I
You
have a
can multiply
question.
by 2 minus
I have a question.
2 minus cube root of 2 times cube root of 2 minus cube root of minus of 2 twice.
What do you want to multiply it with? Okay, we'll call it as AB. What do you want to multiply it with?
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
I want to multiply it by like a minus b in parentheses and then a minus b in parentheses again.
But again,
Wait,
that's what.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, please, go ahead.
Could we cube the entire fraction?
Cube the entire fraction.
Or would that not be possible?
That.
Because like the numerator was
Yeah. I hear you, Swarit. Vidyut, I'll come back to your question. If you cube the entire fraction, okay, take this as a minus b. But cubing the entire fraction doesn't have an equal to sign that you can carry it out on this side as well. It's just an expression. So you cannot cube and change the value of the given fraction as well, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Vidyut, what is your question? Seema, 1 by 2 if you are given, if you want to, let's say they're asking you to simplify 4 by 8. You cannot just like that cube, right? It changes the value of it, right?
Yeah.
So you can't do that. Vidyut, what was that you said?
Like just a so it's just gonna be a minus b times a minus b times a minus b.
Yeah, by doing that, your denominator will remain irrational.
Wait, could we have a cube minus b cube?
What is it?
A cube minus b cube? I don't know.
But this is not a cube, right?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Priyanti, what it like if you wait?
See,
Because
when will this denominator become rational?
if you multiply it by 2 minus root cube root 3 2, and then again 2 minus cube root 2.
Ma, 1 minute, ma. What is going on? Anish? Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
So
Okay.
if you just eventually keep multiplying.
But can I give you a clue? See, this is cube root. So the only way it is going to get rationalized is if you cube this. Cubing this is going to be easy.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like,
But
just
what to
cubing
do?
the
This is, let's say this is a minus b. I want something like a cube minus b cube down. What do I do? This is a minus b. You remember the formula difference of cubes? Can I multiply this with a square?
I was thinking about a squared minus
Plus a, go ahead.
actually no, that won't work though.
A square plus ab plus b square. If I multiply that,
Isn't it 2AB?
or
is it just
cube, a cube minus b cube. I'll write out the formula for you. A minus b, then you have a square plus ab plus b square, right, ma?
Oh, okay. But before, I don't know why, but I remember seeing it as like 2AB.
That is a square. That is a minus b the whole square will be a square plus
Oh,
2ab
okay.
minus 2ab plus b square. That is in squares. So that's why cube formulas you will have to memorize. Now,
Okay.
this is the best way. Now, if I multiply by this, let numerator have all the irrationals. Nobody is bothered. Denominator, just because you multiply with this, becomes a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? 8 minus 2, 6 is your denominator, which is rational. You got it? But your numerator will be so messy, no doubt. It is going to be 4 minus 2 cube root of 2 and then what? Plus. And then plus cube root of 4. Correct, guys? Am I making sense or not? Am I making sense or not? Numerator can be any irrational number, but your denominator becomes very clear. What? A cube minus cube root of 2, the whole cube is 2. So that becomes a 6. So this is your answer. Got it, guys? You can have irrational numerators, no irrational denominators. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Shall we stop here?
Mhm.
Shall we stop here? Yeah, there are some hard problems in rationalizing denominator. So you'll do 11.3 and 11. You'll do 11.3 and 11.4 exercise problems only for this week. Okay, and alchemist same topics. Let's please do 11.3 and 11.4. Make sense?
Mhm.
I will do inverse composition next. Next would be rational exponents and radicals. I'll do that. Then we'll see what to do. I'll try to finish these two for the next 2 weeks. Make sense?
Yeah.
I'll stop here. Okay. Yes. And Vidyut, you wanted to discuss a question. I'm here. Rest of you, if you don't have any questions, you can log off. If you have questions, please stay.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
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 Bye, guys.
It
What
was
the
like a
question?
weird. I
X bar of
searched
X
it
equal
up
to?
and it was like a weird function. It was like Lambert W function, or I don't know, something like that.
Hmm.
It was like because I thought it was first like 5,
Hmm.
but it
X bar
isn't.
X
Like I
equal
don't
to
know how to
25.
solve it though.
Is it X bar X equal to 25?
Yeah,
You sure, huh?
yeah.
Then find X.
I have no idea how to solve it
No, no,
though.
no, no. What was the original question? Do you have the question with you?
No, but I remembered it. Like
Sorry, what was it?
it was exactly. It was just find x.
In X bar of X equal to 25.
Yeah, rounded to like the nearest thousandth, I think, or 100th. I forgot.
Oh,
I think it was
round.
100th. I think it was
Hmm?
100th. It was rounded to nearest 100th.
Wait, you can use calculators, huh?
No, no calculators.
No calculators?
No.
Ah.
I
Okay.
was just trying up multiple things, but I didn't have enough time to try.
Okay, 1 minute wait. I think okay. Have they introduced you to logs?
No.
They've not introduced you to logs?
No, because sometimes they just put like random algebra 2 or pre. I don't know what this is. Like sometimes they just put random pre-calculus questions in there just for fun and see if you know it.
I see. I see. What is the easier way to do? I don't know honestly. So this is log 1. So this will entirely be reduced to 1. So hold on. Just 1 second wait. X bar of X will be equal to, wait ma, let's solve that alone. See, only way to do that is logarithmic functions.
Oh,
I don't know.
I don't know when they teach us logarithms though.
Let's see an easiest way to do. X bar of, see, this can be converted to a logarithmic function. If you take log on both sides, log 25, so base will be x. Maybe I'll solve and tell you, meaning after a while.
Okay, because I got like I couldn't solve it because it was just rounded to nearest hundredth. I think it's 2.9 something.
Answer,
I think because
x power of x equal to 25, Okay, I'll come back with you. I'll message your mom. Is that okay?
Okay.
I'll definitely
Okay.
message your mom. Bring the screenshots like this.
Okay.
Or send it from your mom's chat to me, WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, we'll bring it up in class. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'll send the answer to this though. Let me
Okay,
see
thank
what
you.
to do. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.